there's a lonesome whistle playing the blues on the track where spirits won't lose. Flying Scotsmen slicing through the mist, memories of endless journeys kissed. Steam train, oh haunt my dreams, gliding past the trees and streams. Mallard shadow and twilight's hue, oh I got those steam train blues. Blue Peter howls on a bitter night, leaves behind stories in the moonlight. Spirit of Sandringham, regal and grand, rolling through the heart of this restless land. Steam train, oh haunt my dreams, gliding past the trees and streams. Mallard shadow and twilight's hue, oh I got those steam train blues. Stations echo with sighs and laughter, trackside tales they can chase after. Scenery whispers in the gentle steam, bitten by a railway dream. When the world is weary, I find my peace in the dance where steam clouds release. There's a magic in the steel and rail, a rhythm only the heart shall trail. Steam train, oh haunt my dreams, gliding past the trees and streams. Mallard shadow and twilight's hue, oh I got those steam train blues. Oh. Blue Peter howls on a bitter night, leaves behind stories in the moonlight. Spirit of Sandringham, regal and grand, rolling through the heart of this restless land.